Hey everyone, welcome to TradingOxygen YouTube page. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and your trading journey is also going very fine and profitable too. Now today's topic of this video is very interesting. So when from last few months when I was having the live streaming and when I'm having the weekly analysis video, many people have asked me that what and how I come on a levels that how do we get that so big trades positional trade where we get average 5 6 7k points from BTC, 300 400 points from ETH on average, which we are consistently doing in every week. Now to be honest, me as a person, I don't believe using any indicator, because now when I see the chart, I can detect the values where the line I should draw, the box I should draw, where I should put the Fibonacci chart or something. But I do understand anybody who's gonna start with the starting, for them a useful indicator will be very helpful. Now, it's not that many people say that indicators are lagging, that's why they don't use it. That's not something which I believe on. Indicators are very useful. There are so many good indicators present on TradingView free version also, which we can use it. So in this video, personally, I'm gonna speak about one of my favorites indicator, which, if you ask me, everyone should have on their chart. And why and how that will help, let's see in this video. To start with, the first indicator which I'm going to suggest is support and resistance. We all know, we have all have heard from multiple sources that in the trading, to make the trading simple, you should know where the support is, where the resistance is. Now, my next statement can be controversial, but I should say that. But all these concepts of SMC and ICT are just the byproduct of support and resistance. Support and resistance remains the father figure of all these concepts. So all these new guys who have come on the trading field and spending lakhs of money, hours of their time on SMC and ITC concept, those are good. So I'm not denying that those are not good. But a support and resistance, the plain vanilla version, still is very helpful. Okay. Now, what is a good way of drawing the support and resistance? If you don't have indicator, you need to go on a chart and you need to see that multiple where the support is coming on a daily chart, on a 4 hour, on a 3 hour, on a 2 hour, on a 1 hour. So there are multiple ways you have to give the time to charge. But what if one indicator is going to do for that? And for that, the indicator which I use it, which is this one. So what you have to do, you have to go to TradingView, go to the indicator section, write support and resistance, and you will find two very good indicator, one from Lux Algo, one from the Lonesome. To be honest, for me, this is my favorite. Okay, this is the Lonesome support and resistance indicator. What he has done is he has put the support and resistance in front of you on your chart. The straight away, the moment you see the red one will show you the resistance, the green one will be will put you in support, and the moment it crosses the red one will become a support with the basic thumb rule that support become resistance, resistance becomes support in trading journey, right? So now if you see this chart closely, now if you see from wherever the block where the multiple time buying has come, it has put this on a green section. Where the multiple time the selling has come, it has put on a red section. Now, if anybody is in a trader like few people who use the daily time frame for our trading, for them it is this chart. But like me, who do the trading more on 1 hour and 4 hour, what you can do that this particular indicator, once it's settled, right, you change your time frame and this automatically will change. Now if I go to the 4 hour, if you see on the 4 hour, it had changed, right? Now on a 4 hour, it is trying to say that the level have been changed. So now if, let's say, if someone is on the buying trade, they can hold this trade till here, right? And they would have taken this trade from this minor support, but the support is support, right? The density or the width of this particular support and resistance will tell you that how good and how strong that support or resistance is. The very thin line shows that it's, for now, it's a weak support, but then if it's price spend more and more time here, it will become more solid support here, right? Now if I take this to 1 hour, on 1 hour, if you see what is happening, the prices have taken the rejection straight from those level, here done, here done, here, and straight away it is taking the support and going, trying to go upside. It will go upside or not, we don't know, but at least the prices are trying to go to the support. Now personally what I do use what I use, I keep this for 13 15 minutes, just to see. Now if you see on 30 minutes, the support is not small, right? The support is a good support. Now what I do is, on a 30-minute time frame, I keep this drawing this, or a 1 hour I draw this. Along with this, the second indicator which I really, really want to tell everyone to use is the zigzag indicator. Now, these are not very famous because not a lot of publicity has been done for this indicator, but these indicators are very, very good. Now, the moment you write the zigzag, you can choose this one, okay? And you will see a lot of color code have come. What you should do is go to the setting of this indicator, okay, and make it very simple. Remove this background, remove the direction, okay, and label on price scale also you remove, pain label you remove, okay. Yeah, so now for a second, because I'm going to explain you the zigzag indicator, let me hide this, the support and resistance one. Now if you see what this zigzag is telling you. Now, one of the best thing which I love about zigzag, that it is showing you the zigzag path. What path it shows? The path it shows that it was a higher high, become a lower low, then the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the prices are going. So what it shows you that where the trend is going. And not only that, I don't use this indicator just to know about this. Now I use this indicator to know that where is my wick, where is my swing which is coming, and why I use swing for my one of the best tool which I use on the trading view, which is the Fibonacci level, right? Now, whenever you talk to any 10 person who are using the Fibonacci or want to understand the Fib levels, they are one of the main problem which they always have there in mind, that how do we know that which swing we need to detect or which swing we need to use. Now this is where this particular zigzag helps you a lot, because it already have given you the swing from where to where you can go and use the Fib. How? Let's say let's say on a 1 hour chart, if on the right now where the BTC chart is, if I have to see, because the prices are going down, and if I use this Fib from here to here, which is, I'm not putting my mind, this is the latest upswing, this is the latest lower swing, I'm just using my Fib, and it is giving me the points 5 and point 0.6 area, right? Let me mark this. What it tells that whenever the prices will try to come up from here, there are very, very solid reasons to take a rejection, right? Now if you see here, yes, the prices have taken a prices will may take the rejection from here. So if you see, and if you must be following me, the live stream, my live stream, the trade which is started from here, my target is this only, you know. And why my target is this? Because this is where my Fib level. Out of anything else, I believe on this point 0.5 to point 0.6 golden ratio, right? That this is where my whole trading journey is on this particular tool, right? Now, now because you have detected that this is the area, let me put this on a Fib area. Okay. Now let me reuse my the other indicator. If you see if I turn on this indicator, okay, my indicator is also saying that yes, there is a resistance here. Now what it tells me yes, the swing, I detected the right one, the Fib area which is the right one, and my resistance is also coming that area. It means if I am on this trade, I definitely should cut my maximum profit here, because there are chances of reversing are more and more, because once the Fib area has come, The second is my the very strong resistance is also sitting here. Now you see this using two indicators. It is telling me that this is the sure short selling area which where I should sell it. Or if I see the rejection, I can better start my selling trade also from here. Right now, if you, I'll just give you one more example that how beautiful the fib level is. Now, my trade started from here, right? And the prices went till here. I'll show you the magic. If I put the fib from here to here, you're seeing from where the prices have taken the rejection? Exactly this area. Now, if someone is on buying trade, he should not cut his trade until this area gets down, because it's already he's in profit. But then the he put should put his trailing SL below this. It should not be cut. And if someone, I told in the live stream also, if someone has missed this trade, can again take trade from here. Again, he's in profit. Now, what I'm trying to say that zigzag, what is the use? If I summarize this particular video, how I do I summarize? The support and resistance from Lonesome will give me the support and resistance on every time frame. When I say every time frame, even if you go for a 5 minute, a people who love scalping can also use this. If you see in a 5 minute, exactly prices going up from a support, exactly prices are coming down from a resistance, right? So you use any time frame, smaller to higher time frame, where Lonesome support and resistance will help you to detect the right support and resistance value, or I would say the bar, or I would say the area, right? Second indicator which I use is a zigzag. The only use of zigzag which I'm going doing is to detect the right swing, or from my naked eyes. Now I become so mature that probably I don't use this, but for all the new people, I seriously suggest this particular tool. Don't underestimate the zigzag. Zigzag give you the swings, which is very important to know. Also, in this area, right, sometime what zigzag also help you to put a trend line also, right? Where unfortunately in this particular chart I don't have example, but if you start using the zigzag, it will also give you the trend line. And the third, and which is not an indicator, which is the tool which I love to my core of my heart, is the Fibonacci. Okay, fib level. Now, once I know the swings now because the zigzag has given me the swings, I just need to use the one swing to another swing, and we need to put the Fibonacci tool, and it will give me the point zero, point 0.5 to point 0.6 area. One more sentence before I end this video. Many people ask me how do I use the fib, because sometimes they think that I should go from up to down or down to up. Don't worry. A simple thumb rule always remember in the mind. The the fib, you need to move always from left to right. Don't think up, down, up, nothing. Always go from left to right. You will always be at the right stage. Okay, always right to left. Here, when the prices were going up, I'm going from here to here. This is my left to right. Here, when the prices were coming from up to down, I'm also here going from right to left. Sorry, left to right. Always go from left to right, and your levels will be absolutely crystal clear. Guys, you don't need fancy things on your chart. Stick with basics. Use these free indicators. These are amazing, amazing technical indicator. Please use this. Please let me know if you love this video, you like this video. Please subscribe. It's a very, very small channel. Even I was not regular because I'm doing my job also along with this. But slowly, slowly, I'm getting there. I'm also getting a feel of the YouTube channel owner, right? Who doesn't, who it doesn't feel like that because there are very less engagement which I have. If you like this, please like and subscribe, comment, and I will come back with more and more videos, something like this. Till then, best of luck, and I'll see you in other videos.